So this one is the sales leads dashboard. So this is the one that utilizes your quote information. So what you're able to do here is see who your top leads are, and then also your top converting customers. Now, it might be, for example, this customer at the top I've got, and they are, well, quoting them quite a lot for not many orders. We've quoted them 2,661 times, but we've only got 6 quotes out of them. Not very good. So what we could potentially do with that customer is say, right, rather than us spending all this time putting quotes in, it might be worth pointing them to a website so that they can do their own inquiries maybe. And then we can see here the total quotes by sales reps, so you can have a breakdown of who's quoting the most. And then just to the right of that, you've got the split for prospects and customers. So you can see how many customers and prospects you're quoting. So that's your quote split. So most of these are customers, and then you've got 11% of your prospects. So the next bit is the quote origin. So this is where you can see where you got your quotes from. So you can see a breakdown there. We can see if we've captured them via telemarketing, e-shots, exhibitions. So from this, you're able to see at a high level how profitable your marketing exploits have been. And then on the bottom right, a bit further along, you can see the reasons for losing the business. So as long as you're tagging this on your quotes, then this information will fill out automatically. So you can put a list of reasons in. So as I said previously, is it because they've lost it on price, lost it on relationship, for example? But you can put however many you want in there and start tagging your quotes to get insights like that.